Instant glowing skin pack. Rice flour, teaspoon. Rice flour brightens skin complexion, diminishes oiliness, fights acne. Sugar 1 spoon. Liquid milk teaspoon. Raw milk makes a moisturizing face mask that helps brighten your skin. This face pack for fair skin removes suntan. Few drops lemon. Lemon juice, making it look more youthful and radiant. Mix well. Before applying on the skin, it should be cleaned well. Apply it on the skin and leave it 20 minutes. Get glass, shine skin. Lighten, dark spots. Bright skin. Use regular weekly. Massage for 2 minutes. Instant clean skin. Wash with warm water.